In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the SimpleLIBRARY program. Hi, this is Justin from Precast Simplified, and in this video, we're going to show you how to install the SimpleLIBRARY program. Pretty basic. You go to the store, go to the shop, go to the SimpleLIBRARY here, and we have two options here. And you can also change your user count here. Of course, this program in particular probably only need a few licenses for this, maybe just one per company. We have a full $45 per year, or you can buy it lifetime $225. And we can just click on buy now. Going to pop up to this. You do your checkout and purchase. There is no free trial on this software. All right, so once you have checked out, it will pop up with this message here, and then it may take you into your dashboard where you can see all of your orders, all of your invoices, all of your plans, all of your downloads, all of your license keys, all that stuff is located here. And then also you're going to get an email as well. So this is the one that we just did here. And if I click on this, this is the verification of the order. And this is our license key. So right from your email, you can just download this. So we're just going to click on download. It's going to download in our upper right corner here. Also in this area, you can cancel your plan. You can also change your plan, and your downloads are also found in this area as well. So if you ever needed to download it in the future and delete that email, so we're going to open up the folder where it downloaded to. And then here we have our SimpleLIBRARY. I'm just going to right click on this file, extract all, and then click extract. It's going to open up to this area. We're just going to double tap on this file here to run the setup. When this pops up, just click on more info and click on run anyway. Then we just need to run through the setup here. Just agree to this. You can install it for everyone on the computer or just you. If you do install it for more users, you will need to buy a license for their profile as well. Click on that and then click on install. Right, and now it is complete. You can run the software right at the end here. So just click on finish and then it will open up. And then here is where you're going to put in your license key. Go back to our email. This is our SimpleLIBRARY license key. So we're going to grab this, paste it in, and click on activate license. Once you do that, the program will open. If you ever need to manage your license key, you can go to the license manager here, and you can deactivate your license. You can buy additional licenses, or you can check the license status. And this is the program here, and I'll have another video of showing you how to use the program. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.